Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on and share this really quick recipe I found. I think her name is Moments of Jane. I will pop it on the screen and I'll link it below. She's this older lady, I believe she's in her 70s, and she just makes the quickest, most simplest, healthy lunches. And so I recreated one that she did. I'll also pop the direct link to this particular recipe below, but it's a flatbread pizza. I did add a drizzle of balsamic glaze here. I got this at Lidl for like $2 maybe. All right, so I'm gonna show you what it is and tell you about it. All right, so here's the pizza. I just get the flatbread naan from Trader Joe's, Lidl, anywhere. It looks so good. So I always use one of these as the base. It's garlic naan from Trader Joe's. You can get ones like at your local grocer that are not frozen. I don't recommend those. These are better, and then you just put everything in the air fryer. So I load everything on top. And on Jackson, I just made him a pizza. He doesn't like all the garlic, so I get him the plain. But on this pizza, I just started with the naan, and then I added some sliced mozzarella, grated Parmesan, and I just keep it in the freezer. And when I need it, I just cut it up and put it on here. Everything comes out of the freezer with the exception of the arugula and the, oh my gosh, I just lost my train of thought. Prosciutto. The prosciutto, and then I topped it with a little bit of the balsamic glaze. And it's so good, you guys. And fairly healthy, super easy. We just got in from the pool, and I'm able to get lunch on the table in like 5 minutes. So good. So good. How's your pizza, Jax? Really good. Oh my God, you guys, so good. I put it in the air fryer for about 6 to 7 minutes at anywhere between 370 and 400. 400 gets you a crispier crust. I only did 370 degrees today, so it's not as crispy. And yeah, all right. Hey guys. So we're on our way to story time today. It's Friday, end of the week. You would have seen me the beginning of the week where I showed you the pizza that I love. And yeah, so I'm just going to take you along with me a little bit today. Nothing exciting, just story time and a few errands. I hope you're having a good day. Chat later. Chatter, 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 the monkeys on the bus go chatter, chatter, chatter all day long. The hyena on the bus go. Okay, so today is Saturday. We're gonna go out on my husband's boat. And I'm just wearing this Lily Pulitzer outfit, which is this tennis skirt and the swimsuit to match. It's a bit chilly out, so I'm gonna wear this long sleeve t-shirt from Everlane and my dad's sandals from Chanel. Okay guys, the last time you saw me, we were out on the lake in the same swimsuit. Put it back on today because today we are at the beach. We're just gonna have a beach day and go back home.